Hey there! Let's dive into the world of detox smoothies and explore why they're so popular among health enthusiasts, especially those of us in our 20s and 30s. What is a detox smoothie? A detox smoothie is a nutritious blend of fruits, vegetables, and other healthy ingredients designed to help your body eliminate toxins. Think of it as a delicious, drinkable cleanse that boosts your energy, improves your skin, and supports weight loss. Why detox smoothies? Detox smoothies are all about feeling great and looking fabulous. They provide a natural energy boost, clear your skin, and keep you full longer, making them perfect for busy lifestyles. Plus, they're incredibly easy to make at home with just a blender and some fresh ingredients. Essential ingredients for detox smoothies. Here are some must-have ingredients for a perfect detox smoothie. Spinach and kale, packed with vitamins and minerals. Banana adds sweetness and creaminess. Apple, full of fiber and helps with digestion. Lemon adds a zesty flavor and aids in detoxification. Ginger, great for digestion and adds a spicy kick. Cucumber, hydrating and refreshing. Chia seeds, high in fiber and omega-3s. Berries, rich in antioxidants and add a delicious flavor. Benefits of detox smoothies. Drinking detox smoothies can boost energy. The nutrients provide a natural energy lift, improve skin. The vitamins and antioxidants help clear your skin, aid weight loss. The fiber keeps you full longer. Enhanced digestion. Ingredients like ginger and fiber-rich fruits support your digestive health. Hydrate. Smoothies keep you hydrated, especially with coconut water. Tips for the best detox smoothies. Use fresh ingredients for the best flavor and nutrition. Experiment with different fruits and veggies to find your favorite combo. Add protein powder or Greek yogurt for a meal replacement. Detox smoothies are a fantastic addition to your healthy lifestyle. They're quick, tasty, and packed with nutrients to keep you feeling your best. Try incorporating them into your daily routine and enjoy the benefits.